Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. If you're new here, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. And please consider subscribing. I found out most of you guys who are watching the videos, but we forgot to subscribe. We gotta subscribe for your girl and make sure you turn on that notification when I'm popping the video so that you do not want to get late to watch these videos. Guys, look at myself. Today we are talking about the locks and locks. If you did not watch the other video, make sure you rush there and go watch it before you can come and watch this video. So today's video, I'm going to show you 3 or 4 products that I use to moisturize my locks, or to keep my locks moisturized and healthy and not to get dry and fuzzy. Okay, so I'm gonna take out my rub. This is me. This is Natural Moto Lifestyle, guys. If you don't know about Moto Lifestyle, I have my entire story about how I was bullied in high school because I didn't have hair. Oh my goodness, guys, do me a favor. If you see a bully out there who's bullying somebody about their hair, guys, make sure you tell them to stop. This is the girl who was bullied, but look at her now. Look at her now. She has locks. Anyway, guys, so today's video, I'm going to show you the simplest way that you can hydrate or keep your locks moisturized, okay? So I'm going to start with this bottle. Guys, if you have any hair or you have locks, you gotta have this mist spray bottle. I love this bottle. It's so easy to use. It's clear. You can see it, and then it's actually has a mist spray. But at the same time, you don't want to use these other bottles where you could dribble your water in your locks. You don't want to just dribble water in your locks. You want a mist spray. This is just water. Let me show you. You just need a mist. Did you see that mist? Mist spray. So whenever it goes on your head, it's just anyway, this is just water in here. So I'm gonna show you the products that I mix instead of me going with one product at the same time, putting all my inside my hair, but at the same time sometimes I use it the mist method. So this is just water, pure water in here. This is how you open this bottle. So simple. So the first product I'm gonna use in here, it's called Scalp Care. Guys, this Scalp Care is a root stimulating oil. It smells your roots and it contains tea tree oil, the best oil for your locks or for your scalp. Guys, I love tea tree. So I'm gonna use this product here to just drop inside the water. I'm gonna use I'm just gonna measure. I used to have a drop, but I'm just gonna miss. You can just do 2 drops or 3 drops inside the water. So I'm gonna measure. Look at that. That's enough. You don't need much. That is enough of this tea tree scalp care hair chemist. That's how they call it, guys. Look at that. And you can get this in your hair product stores anywhere in the world. Actually, wherever you are, just walk in the way. I'm sure they have it. Okay, it's made with 100% natural tea tree and hemp oil, the best oil ever. So I just mix that in here because it helps to hydrate your skin or your scalp. So I put that in there and I come up with my, guess what, wild growth. This one is gonna help my hair to grow. So I'm gonna do some drops as well. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, just drops in there. You can use by itself, but today I'm just going to show you another method that you can use to hydrate or to moisturize your hair, especially if you go rushing and going to work, or it's a daily thing. So you can do this daily. I do this daily. And then after I finish that, I come with another smelling good products. This is actually rose smell mint. Oh my goodness, rose smell mint. When you hear the word mint, it smells so good. So I'm gonna use this rose smell mint, guys. I'm reading so that I can give you the accurate information that is written here. They say rose smell mint is for scalp hair. It strengthens. It's called a strengthening oil for your scalp. And the smell, guys, here, oh my goodness, it can use, they say it can use a daily scalp treatment, or your split ends. If your split ends are messed up, you can use this. So I'm gonna do this 3 drops, guys. Your locks are going to smell good. So I'm gonna drop this in here. 1, 2, 3. You can do 4, whatever you want, but I like to do 3. But I feel like whenever I use that, I don't use a whole lot because, hey, it's expensive. Sometimes you don't want to, having locks, as I told you, it can be expensive. Styling your locks, buying all these products, you're spending money. But the good thing is when you mix them in here, it takes a long time to whatever end. So I'm going to cover this right here. And I'm going to do the shake, 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 shake. Look at that. Look at that. It's like milk. So I'm going to do the shake, 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 shake. And I'm going to start spraying my locks. I'm going to start with my roots. Make sure you spray your roots in there. I love this bottle because actually it gives you the wider range of spraying your locks. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my scalp, it feels like it's pulling something. It's just pulling down something because of this peppermint. And the smell, guys, it smells so good. So I'm gonna spray. Ooh. And guys, don't forget to spray your baby hair, your edges. Guys, if you look on my previous videos, my edges were completely gone. But since I started using this product here, it's called Wild Growth Hair on my edges. Oh my goodness, my baby hair has been growing like crazy. Nowadays I have baby hair. Okay, so this is actually works for my hair type. So because all of us, remember, we have different kinds of hair. Your hair is not my hair. So I'm telling you what works for my hair type, what works for me. If you try it out there and it works for you, good for you. But for me, as you can tell, my locks looks healthy. My locks are growing and they're getting longer and longer, and they're healthy and they're getting fuller because of all these stitches that I do here. That's why I'm like, I need to share to somebody probably who wants to start locks, so I can come here and help you out. So you don't want to spray too much at the same time, but make sure you go in here with your fingertips, not your whole head, guys. Fingertips. Go in here and massage your scalp and make sure everything just is in there. Okay. Oh my goodness, my scalp feels so good. Guys, and the mint, oh my goodness, this rose smell mint hair strengthener, oh my goodness, it smells so good. I feel like when you're walking on the street, people are going to do like this. It makes your locks feel fresh, makes your locks feel good. Oh my. So guys, make sure you don't spray on your scalp. Also spray on your ends. Okay, come here. Make sure all your locks get all that benefit of this mixture of products. Okay, because they need to be hydrated and not to be fuzzy, so they need to look neat. Oh my goodness, guys, look at my locks. I feel so good. They smell so good. Look at that. Look at my edges. You can decide to use your edges. They have these oils for edges. You can do that. Sometimes I use this one. I'm sorry, I'm gonna show you. Sometimes I use this cream, perfect for edging. I use this on my edges sometimes, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But I say sometimes if you just want to look that cute and doll up, you can go use this on your edges. Sometimes I use this once, not all the time, but it's a good one to use as well if you want to. All right, look at that now. wait a minute, I have one more product that is gonna make now, you know, as ladies, we love to put makeup. As you see Umoto last time, she loves her makeup. So when you have makeup on you and you have locks, but you just want that finish, that smooth finish, you know, the product that's gonna make your locks look like perfect. Okay, I use, guys, coconut water. So this rose water is going to kind of finish your locks and make them smooth, make them the hair not to look fuzzy. So what do you do? What I do here, I just spray I just spray, see, rose water. And guys, this bottle sometimes can be tricky to open. Make sure you lift it up and then you give it a spray. Lift it up, give it a spray. Because some people, I saw this a video I was watching and somebody was just pressing here, but they didn't know that you're supposed to lift it up and spray. So this one is going to finish my locks so that I can be ready to style up my locks on whenever I want my locks to lie flat. You see, do you see, guys, what I see? Do you see how my locks sometimes you can come with a comb, and if you want your locks to be neat and lay smooth, look at that, you can just lay them this way and this way and that way. Look at that. This is the stage now. I told you if you want to come with this edge control, you can come here. For me, I don't really like to put it so much, but if you want to, that is up to you. But you can come, you know, kind hold your edges here, your baby edges. Look at that. It looks so smooth. Look at that. Look at my locks, guys. They look good. I feel good. I smell really good. Oh my goodness, look at that. Guys, make sure you comment below. Rate my style. And this is how I keep my locks hydrated. I'm ready to go anywhere. I'm ready to do anything, guys, by just using these products. Let me show you everything that I use here. Oh, I don't know if you all guys can see. And I use this edge control. So these are all the products, and I also used coconut water. So all these products, if you want them, I'm gonna put them in my description box. Oh, let me show you this so you guys can see my description box, so that for you guys to see. But so far, I love combining, and this bottle is so important, guys. Make sure if you don't have this bottle, you can grab it from Amazon and a beauty shop or department store. You can find it. This bottle. It's very important to have this because it's gonna save you time, and it's a daily thing, guys. I do this daily to grow my locks. As you can tell, my locks are getting longer, they're healthier, they're fuller, and I'm feeling the water. It's like I'm ready to tackle the water. And remember, this is the girl who was bullied when she was high school. She literally did have no hair. But I came to find out it's not like I did have hair, it's like I didn't know how to manage my hair. Guys, all I can tell you, moisturize, moisturize, and moisturize your scalp and your hair, okay? Guys, from me to you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.